Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the fix for this error unknown USB device descriptor request failed. So I've got a fix for this, and in order to do this, let's get started. First, what you have to do is close everything and then press Windows plus R. Once you do this, Windows will open this run dialog box, and then you have to type powercfg.cpl. Once you do this, click OK, and this will open edit power plan. Now choose the power plan which you're using and click on change plan settings. Click on change advanced power settings and then click on USB settings. Here you'll find USB selective suspend settings. Double click on this and then you'll find two or one options. Just it would be enabled. Just open the menu and disable it. Click on apply and click on OK. Now click on power options from here and then click on choose what the power buttons do. Here click on change settings and then turn off fast startup. Just uncheck this and save changes. Close this and close everything and then restart your PC. Once you do this, hopefully your problem should be solved. And if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.